Unison marketplace, and it's full of federal government opportunities. Let's take a look. All you need is a cage code to register for Unison Marketplace. This is a reverse auction, so price is very important. You will be able to find out if you're leading, if you're lagging. And keep in mind, just because you're lagging in price doesn't mean you aren't going to win. At the end of the day, the powers that be decide who will win. So there's this opportunity right here that I'm just going to walk us through. Basically, the Coast Guard is looking for a vendor to pay monthly $14,025 to these different trash and recycling companies. So basically, you are operating as a billing kind of company. That's what you need to do. So you're going to have to pay them this money. You can see a list of the companies here. These are all the companies that you're going to have to pay. And what they're looking for is, what are you to charge the Coast Guard to have a person issue the payments, handle any questions, be available to all of these vendors? And the type of service equipment, this is the frequency of which they collect or recycle the trash. And this is where they are located in the great United States, the most amazing country in the world. This is something that piqued my interest because it's very peculiar in that it's a combination of staffing as well as you could subcontract or middleman it out. So just for fun, guess what we're gonna do? We're going big. Why not? So when I look at something like this, I have a team member right now who could just do this. She has a lot of bandwidth available. So I'm going to put in a bid. So bid description, I just copy and paste from here. The reference number, I put the date, and this is actually due today. So we're just gonna do this. CPAR rep is me. Let's see if we can go without putting my phone number in here. I comply with all of the requirements. It says you have the option to include any information. There's nothing to include, excuse me. There's nothing here because they've already told you, this is what we need. Here are the vendors, we need you to pay them. So you need to be able to pay them and you need to have the money. Yes, you're going to get the money back. You're going to invoice that 14 and change in addition to what you're paying them every month. What you're charging them every month. Can you tell I'm a little tired? That's what happens. I'm rushing to get a lot of content out to you all because I'm having my surgery in a few hours and I want to make sure I'm giving you the most amazing value regardless of what's going on in my life. So quote this. So they're telling you right here what to put. So you put the unit price. Those are optional. I would just copy and paste this. Boom. For this, let's see what's fair. $2,000 a month. That's 24. I'm going to put 1,300. Why not? Actually, let's do this. Let's do this at 2,000. Let's have it stop at 13. Because as I said, I already have someone who can do this. Even if you think about it, you could do this and you're making $1,300 a month for a whole year to just pay these vendors. You can pay them through ACH, bill.com. There's probably a multitude of ways you can do that. QuickBooks. Okay, continue. And then what ended up happening, you could see it was okay that I didn't put my phone number here. So what I'm gonna do is after I finish recording this, I'll go back to change it, but you can see Unison already added their fee, right? Because this is what you're paying out. And then you can see the Unison fee for $2,000 a month versus $1,300. When you win the award, every month when you receive the payment, you then take the Unison fee and you issue it to them. That's how this works. So regardless if it's paying trash and recycling companies, it's selling technology, it's bidding on janitorial, it's bidding on foods for the prison, it's bidding on books, it doesn't matter. This is typically how it works. Some opportunities may ask you to include a Buy America form. Some may ask for a couple volume proposal. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's a reverse auction. They're looking to get a deal. If this is a place for you, I say, why not? Look how long this took. We're done. And I'm going to submit this. And I'll let you know what happened when I can, because I'm not going to be able to talk for some time. And I do want to take this opportunity to say thank you for all your warm wishes, for your prayers, for your kind words, and for all of those of you who are new here. My name is Dr. Kizzy Parks. I've been awarded over $50 million in government contracts. So check out Unison. Check it out. Go on there. They have a hotline. They're really nice. winnerswaybook.com. If you don't know how to write a proposal for Sam.Gov or for some of the more challenging opportunities on Unison or more complex, check out proposal.wins.com. proposal.wins.com. Please do that. There's no reason you can't win in 21 days, 3 months. There's no reason. It all starts here. You can do it. I love and adore each and every one of you. Until next time, everything is possible. Take care, y'all.